Welcome to DeepDive. This tutorial will show you how to join and navigate a deep dive session in the role of an interpreter. As an interpreter, your role is essential for facilitating communication during global research. You will provide real-time interpretation to observers to ensure they follow the conversation seamlessly. Let's jump in and discover more. To join a session as an interpreter, click the link provided by the moderator. Initially, you'll join as an observer, and once on the call, the moderator will assign you the interpreter role. Once your role is set, you'll have access to your camera and microphone. Make sure your browser permissions allow DeepDive access to these features. As an interpreter, your camera feed is only visible to observers, and your voice will be heard only when observers switch to your audio channel. To stay coordinated with the team without disrupting the session flow, you can use the internal chat room. Here, you can communicate with the moderators and observers, keeping everyone aligned and connected during the session. When the session is complete, or if you need to exit early, click the Leave button at the top right of your screen. That's all you need to get started as an interpreter in DeepDive. Thank you for tuning in, and we wish you a seamless and successful session.